In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the paper roller cleaning in HP Deskjet 4100 series printer. You can follow it for any printer in this series. To do the paper roller cleaning, we also need a Phillips screwdriver, that is number 10. Unplug the printer and then we have to open the front chamber. First we have to remove the two screws from here. You can see those two screws are here, one is here and one here, and this is the screwdriver we need. It's really easy to clean it. So first we will remove these screws. Total 4 screws we have to remove. So 2 from the front. Next 2 are at the back of the printer. So go to the back side. Paper tray is here, so you have to keep it down and lift this flap, and you will see 2 screws here, one is here and the one on the other side. Remove these 2. That is the last one. It's a little bit difficult to remove this one, where you can just get the excess. Once it is done, you just have to lift the top part. It will come out, but don't take it out completely. Just tilt it like this and leave it here, because there are wires connected to the scanner. So this is the white part, is the roller here. So you can use a damp cloth, just spray some cleaning liquid, or you can also use the water, and then we have to just clean the roller. So we can just slide it here. So this will help to clean the roller. Do it slowly. You can also use a toothbrush and clean this roller from here. Make sure you also clean the sensors. So there are 3 sensors here. These sensors detect the paper, so you can just wipe these. Once you do the cleaning of the paper roller, you can put everything back. But if you want to do the deep cleaning of the paper roller, then we can take it slightly out, and to take it out you just have to push your finger here and move it to the one side. Push it with the finger, it will come out. So you will see the one end comes out here, and now we have better access for the roller. Again we can do the cleaning from here. You can just wipe it. You can also rotate it easily. Clean it from this end. So this way we can clean it deeply. Even if you want to clean more, you can take this rubber out. I don't recommend that because it may be a little bit difficult to take it out. And then we can clean it. Once you clean it, wash it, just place it back here. let's put it back. So you have to move it again to the back side, and then there is a lock in the end. It's just this, and to lock it, just look here at this end. You just have to push it little bit back and push it inside. Place your thumb here, and then you just have to slide it and it will lock. So with a click it locks, and now it's moving. The first step is to move this plate and place it here. Automatically it will settle in its position. Now tighten the screw. Again use the screwdriver that is here. And then other side, that is here. Go to the front. Now place this one here. Second goes here. So once you do all the cleaning, you can also clean the sensor from outside. So go here, lift it up. At the back side you will see there is a long plate here, that is here, and there is one screw here. So we have to unscrew that. So lift the printer like this, and now you can just unscrew from here. Just take it out, and here we have the sensors, 3 sensors that detect the paper. You can also wipe it with the cloth or tissue paper, and then we can put it back. So again put it back. Now you can put the paper at the back side of the printer, and then you can start using it. So this way we can do the paper roller cleaning in HP Deskjet 4100 series printer. Thanks for watching.